Welcome to Brilliant Maths. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel and also visit the blog brilliantmaths.com. You'll find lots and lots of exercises. Practice them. It will help you to excel in maths. Today we are going to be looking at alternate angles, but during the last lesson we actually learned how to identify corresponding angles, and I left you with some work to do. I hope you were able to do them. Let's check out the answers. Question 1. State whether line AB and line YZ are parallel. From the diagram, we can see that the corresponding angles are equal. They are both equal to 125 degrees. So the lines are parallel. Question 2. Find the value of angle X. If you extend the lines, you will find out that angle X corresponds to 100 degrees, and the lines that form the angles are parallel, so corresponding angles on parallel lines are equal, so X is also equal to 100 degrees. Question 3a, find the value of X. Again, the lines are parallel, the angles are corresponding, so X is equal to 130 degrees. And question 3b, X is equal to 110 degrees. Extend the lines. It will help you see that the lines are parallel and the angles are corresponding. So X is equal to 110 degrees. Well done. I'm very sure you got them all correct. Today we are starting off with alternate angles. How do we identify alternate angles? So the first question is, what are alternate angles? Alternate angles are angles on the alternate sides of the transversal and between the other two lines. What does that mean? For example, we have figure 1. We have line PQ and line RS, and the transversal is line XY. So the alternate angles here are angle A and C. We say that they lie on the alternate side. So angle A is here, and angle C is on the alternate side of the transversal. The transversal is XY, and they are between the other two lines. It's between. So it actually forms a Z shape. So angle A and angle C are alternate. Also, angle D and angle B are alternate. So we have two pairs of alternate angles in this figure. So we can say angle A and angle C are alternate angles. Also, angle B and angle D are alternate angles. That's a sign for angles, for short. But if you look at these angles, angle A and angle C, what do we notice? We can notice that angle A is an obtuse angle and angle C is an acute angle. That means they are not equal. And also, but they are alternate. Also, angle D is an acute angle and angle B is an obtuse angle. Although they are alternate, they are not equal. That can be explained. That is because the lines that have formed the angles are not parallel. Line PQ is not parallel to line RS. Let's look at the angles that are formed when the lines are parallel. We have the transversal, line XY. Line IJ is parallel to line KL. And the alternate angles here are, let's look for the Z formation. Angle M is alternate to angle O. So angle M is alternate to angle O. Also, angle N and angle P are alternate angles. Angle N and angle P are alternate angles. But in this case, because the lines that have formed the angles are parallel lines, the alternate angles are equal. So we can say that alternate angles in parallel lines are equal. Alternate angles in parallel lines are equal. Next, we want to look at co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are on the same side of the transversal, and they both lie inside the other two lines. What does that mean? In figure 1, we have line AB and line CD. The transversal is line XY. So line XY is a line that cuts across both of them. We're saying that angle L and angle M are co-interior. They lie on the same side of the transversal and inside the other two lines. So angle L is here and angle M is there. Both of them are co-interior angles. So angle L and angle M are co-interior angles. Also, angle N and angle O are co-interior angles. Let's look at co-interior angles that are formed when parallel lines are cut across by a transversal. In figure 2, line PQ is parallel to line RS, and the co-interior angles are angles E and angle F. So angle E and angle F are co-interior angles. Also, angle G and angle H are co-interior angles. We said that co-interior angles form a C kind of shape. Gives you a C formation. So in figure 2, angle E and angle F are co-interior. Also, angle G and angle H. We can say that co-interior angles between parallel lines are equal to 180 degrees. The sum of two co-interior angles that are formed between parallel lines are supplementary. They are equal to 180 degrees. So, co-interior angles on parallel lines add up to 180 degrees. So anytime you have parallel lines and you identify the co-interior angles, you know that the sum of the co-interior angles will be equal to 180 degrees. Having learned how to identify alternate angles and co-interior angles, let's work out a few examples. Example 1, find the value of angle y. We have two lines, two parallel lines as we can see, and we have an angle that measures 86 degrees, and we also have an angle, an unknown angle here called y. Let's find out the relationship. Angle 86 degrees and angle y are on the alternate sides of the transversal, and they are in between the other lines. So it gives us a Z formation. So what does that tell us? Angle y is alternate to angle 86 degrees, so they are equal, because we know that alternate angles in parallel lines are equal. So y is equal to 86 degrees. The reason, alternate angles in parallel lines. That's very simple. We found the value of angle y. In example 2, we also have two parallel lines, and then we have two angles that lie on the same side of the transversal and in between. So these angles are co-interior angles. And we learned that co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. So we say that x plus 93 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Always give your reason, because that shows that you understand what you're doing. Co-interior angles in parallel lines. All right, so to find the value of angle x, we subtract 93 degrees from 180. 10 take away 3, we have 7. What is left here is a 7. 17 take away 9 is 8. So angle x is equal to 87 degrees. And 87 plus 93 is equal to 180 degrees, because the lines that have formed them are parallel. So both co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. They are supplementary. Example 3. Find the value of angle x and give a reason for your answer. We have this figure, and that's angle x, and this angle measures 95 degrees. We've been given that these two lines are parallel. So how do we know what to do? Extend the parallel lines so you can see the properties or the relationship. And also extend the base, which happens to be the transversal. When you do that extension, and then you look at the figure, you find out that angle x and angle 95 are on the same side of the transversal, and they are co-interior. If they are co-interior and they are formed by parallel lines, then the two angles are supplementary. So we can say that x plus 95 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is co-interior angles in parallel lines. Co-interior angles in parallel lines. So the value of x is equal to 180 degrees minus 95 degrees. So x is equal to 10 take away 5 is a 5. We have 7 left there. 17 take away 9 is an 8. So x is 85 degrees. In example 4, find the value of angle P below. Give a reason for your answer. We have two parallel lines again and the transversal. So let's extend them to see the relationship between the lines and the angles. We extend the transversal, we extend the parallel lines. What do we notice? We have angles that are on alternate sides of the transversal. This is a transversal, and that's 47 degrees, and this is P. So angle P is alternate to angle 47 degrees. So both of them are equal. And they're equal because the line that has formed them are parallel. These two lines are parallel, so the two angles there are alternate and equal. So P is equal to 47 degrees. Reason? Alternate angles on parallel lines. So anytime you have a figure, you're supposed to find corresponding angles, co-interior angles, alternate angles, study the shape, find out whether the lines are parallel or not, find out which line is a transversal, which line is cutting across the lines, and then look out for your Z shape for alternate angles, look out for your C kind of shape for co-interior angles, and then look out for the F formation for corresponding angles. They're very easy to identify. Having learned how to find alternate angles and co-interior angles, try to work out these by yourself. Question 1, that's the figure. It's line PQ parallel to line ROS. How do you know? Question 2, find the value of angle X. In 2A, that's angle X, and in 2B, that's angle X. Question 3, find the value of angle X and Y. And don't forget to give a reason for your answer. Thanks for watching this channel. Subscribe to it. Also follow me on brilliantmaths.com. My name is Ngozi Orevaoghene. Always remember, maths is fun and maths is easy, and you can do it. Catch you next time.